All right, so I'm going to show you a couple things here. I'm going to grab this leader. I'm going to grab a hook. I just do a simple uni knot. So I'll go through 3 times. Don't use your teeth, which what the dentist said. I didn't use the teeth. Pull it tight. Clip off the tag in. So this is a modified spider hitch. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to double this 6 inches or so and make a loop around my fingers. And I'll just take this loop and go through the hole here 4 times. Now this works especially good with braid. I've never had that fail. I've always been able to tie that instead of traditional spider hitch, and it's not only a time saver, but I believe it's just as strong. Never had an issue with it. But now I have a loop 4 or 5 inches long. Open the loop, take my leader. I'll run the leader through the loop, hitch it together. So I have a hold of it here with the loop and the tag in, and I'll take the tag in and I'll wrap up towards the rod tip 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. I'll go back through the loop. Take a wrap on both sides, and I'll pull it tight. It's better if you wet it. It'll slide a little easier for you. If not, then you'll have to basically just kind of manipulate it down with your fingers, pull it tight. But as you pull it tighter and tighter, it'll cinch up. That whole application right there is not only strong, and I use it every day, but it also is very, very small profile. It goes through the guides, so you can reel it right up through the guides and cast. You won't have an issue. It won't get stuck on the tip. It's small enough that it'll flow in and out of the guides. This is 15-pound braid, so I use 20 or 30-pound braid, and then we can use up to probably 60-pound leader with this knot. Anything in it heavier than that, which would be 80 or 100, is super hard to tie. So I wouldn't recommend this no-name knot. At that point, I would probably tie a double uni knot, where I would tie one uni with the main line, another uni with the leader, and then pull it tight, marry the two together, and clip off the tag ends. It seems to hold better with that heavier line. And also with a lighter line. Let's say we're going to go permit fishing and we're going to use 20-pound leader and a 2-0 hook and fish a live crab for a permit, and we use a long piece of 20-pound leader. That 20-pound leader to a spider hitch and a no-name knot, that lighter leader has a tendency to slip through them. So I would always tie a double uni knot with that lighter 20-pound. So really I would only use this application right here with 30, 40, 50, and maybe 60. Anything heavier or lighter than that, I would tie a double uni knot. It's just peace of mind that it's not going to slip and pull through or not cinch down properly because it's too thick with your higher leaders, your 80 or 100 pound.